Alright, today we're going to be giving you a little bit of a tutorial on how to operate Adobe Photoshop. First thing we need to do is just open up the program. Alright, now first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to import an actual picture. So there's two ways you can just do this. You can either click open or open right here. And then you just need to find a picture you want to use. And for right now, we'll just use this picture. Okay. And first thing you want to do if you want to remove a background is you need to click this tool right here that says quick selection tool and go right here where it says new selection. And okay, so then all you need to do is just scroll over and highlight the image, or if you want the background removed, I mean. And as you see right here, I went a little over into the person. So all you need to do is just click this tool right here that says remove selection and just go back over it. And there's two ways I could go about this. And also, if you notice right here, her hair is a little bit cut off, and the way this tool works is that it doesn't really distinguish then images like this from the background. If I want to go into real detail, I could pixel by pixel highlight them, but we're not doing that right now. And if I want to remove the background, this is already highlighted. All I need to do is click layer via copy and then go to layer via cut. And what layer via cut does, it removes the image that was highlighted from the background. But then layer via copy is sort of the opposite, is it removes the highlighted image from the original without deleting it from the original. So now if I wanted to reverse it without having to restart from the beginning, all I had to do is click select inverse, and now if I were to do layer via copy, you'll now see that Mariah is instead removed instead of the background. Okay, and now just the easier thing to do when you're ready to export, if you want your image to be, if you're just rushing, which you honestly shouldn't, you could click quick export as PNG and just name it, and if you just find it in your folders, it'll be right there. But technically, when you export an image as a PNG, it won't be as high quality as it would have been. And if you want to export an image the proper way, just to save the quality, you go to export as, and this window pops up. And you'll have multiple options right here. You can either do a PNG, JPEG, and these are for later on. And just for now, I'm gonna go with a JPEG. And as you can see right here, the pixel amount changes somewhat, or the file size, really. And the larger file appears to be the PNG, which means that that's the higher quality image. When you actually wanted to export footage and show it, you want to have as high as memory as you can without any memory compression or quality loss. And all you need to do is just click export all and just name it again. And since this was a quick image, it probably already said export. Yep, there it is. All right, that's all just for today.